Stem cells are changing the way doctors treat heart disease, Parkinson's, and cancer. Now, one local cosmetic surgeon says stem cells are also the secret to looking younger. Our health specialist, Denise Tador, tells us more about the science of stem cell rejuvenation.
This is enhanced.
Doctors have been using fat for decades to help fill in wrinkles and hollowness under the eyes. But cosmetic surgeon Nathan Newman says he's doing more than just a fat transfer. He's also using adult stem cells.
The stem cells is what brings in the new blood vessels, rebuilds the structures, maintains the volume by replacing the fat cells that die off.
When 33-year-old Rachel Aaron first came to Dr. Newman, this is what she looked like. She's an avid surfer who spent a lot of time in the sun.
I look in my face in the mirror and I see my face is so tired and old.
The conventional way to treat Rachel's problems are with artificial dermal fillers. But Dr. Newman says his stem cell lift offers a more natural and longer-lasting remedy.
There is actually no downside to using your own stem cells because it's yours, it's natural, you don't get rejection, you don't need to go under general anesthesia. It's what was there that has been lost that we're replacing, and it will incorporate into the tissues and will become part of your own tissues.
All fat has stem cells, but what Dr. Newman does is he separates it out, and then he adds it back in where he doubles or triples the concentration of the stem cells in the fat he injects.
Most of the risk is bruising and swelling.
Critics of the technique say there is no FDA-approved way to inject stem cells, so it'll be years before scientists know its safety and effectiveness. And dermatologists say traditional fat transfers can cause lumps over time. The stem cell lift runs about $5,500 per eye. Just 2 weeks after her procedure, Rachel is thrilled.
I look in the mirror and I love what I see. This is me, this is my smile, this is my skin. It's not fake.
In Beverly Hills, Denise Tador, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
A star mom's stunning facelift without surgery.
I'm going to look 10 years younger.
The before and after of Hollywood's hottest new procedure.
Now the mother of a famous star gets a facelift without surgery. Only we are inside the doctor's office for Hollywood's newest procedure. Say the word facelift and most people think major surgery. The patient out under anesthesia. Plastic surgeons with sharp scalpels. That's not what Mary Ling wanted.
I don't want to go the normal route of plastic surgery, being cut and sewed up.
So Mary Ling, mother of TV journalist Lisa and former North Korean detainee Laura, chose Dr. Nathan Newman. The Beverly Hills-based cosmetic surgeon performs his stem cell lift.
We want to go over here and fill in under your eyes, fill in the cheek area. It takes your stem cells found in your fat tissue and uses the power of the stem cells to regenerate and rejuvenate the tissues in your body.
These before and after pictures of Dr. Newman's patients convinced Mary.
I just saw the before and after picture. I said, I want to do it.
But it was this before picture of Mary 10 years ago that really brought her here.
I look at some of my old picture and current picture now, and I notice the difference.
The first step, taking fat from Mary's thigh.
This is what we took out of you. This is the fat, okay? And here's the stem cells that we separated out from this, okay?
And that will be injected into Mary's face.
And then we're going to take the fat and then the stem cells and fill all of these areas and all of these areas. There's no knives, there's no scars. It doesn't require major recovery time. With the celebrity clientele that I have, they don't want to have things done that changes their look. What we try to do is to restore their natural youthfulness without changing their look.
Dr. Newman starts with the right side of Mary's face.
I think I'm going to be so happy. I think I'm going to look at least 10 years younger.
Just 2 days later, and the swelling is gone. The differences are striking. The bags under her eyes have vanished, and her skin no longer sags. Her face fuller, even, and lifted. Dr. Newman says the results will last 5 to 10 years, the same as traditional plastic surgery. To have a full face done like Mary did costs $9,500.